Children, to draw any angle, we need a protractor. We always measure or draw an angle using a protractor. Now, as you can see in this protractor, various measurements are given to us. These are the various degrees of angles. Firstly, we draw a ray. So let us draw a ray. Now this ray, as we know, has one end point and one arrow here we have to place. Name this ray as A and B. Now as you can see, this center point of the protractor, this center point we have to place on this end A, which will be the vertex of the angle. So place this center point of protractor on point A, and as you can see this zero line, this zero line should coincide with this ray. So place the protractor in such a way. So we will put this protractor, center point should be on the point A, on this point A, and this zero line should exactly coincide the ray AB. Now as you can see, we have placed the protractor on ray AB accurately. Now if we have to draw an angle of 60 degrees. Now find out 60 degrees here on the readings given below on this one where your 0 has come. Okay, so you can see this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So on this 60, this is the mark for 60 angle. Make a point here. Now remove the protractor and draw another ray joining this point and point A. So this will be another point C, and you have got an angle of 60 degree. So this is an angle of 60 degree. Now you can see that angle BAC, this measures 60 degree. Now children, keep in mind, as we have seen that there are two readings given in this protractor. So if we are taking the end of the arrow here on the left side and head of the arrow is on the right side, then we can see that we use the readings given below, because 0 here on the right side is given on the readings given below. Now if we draw any ray in such a way that the head of the ray is on the left side, this way, end is here on the right side and head of the arrow is towards the left. Now in this case, if we will keep the protractor coinciding 0 point with this line, now you can see that 0 will come on the upper readings given on the protractor. So here if we have to draw an angle of 60 degree, so we will see the readings given above. These are the readings 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So we will put a point here and then join these two rays. So this way you will again get an angle of 60 degrees, which is made by an opening on the left hand side. Now let's construct the angles of the following measure. First angle we have to draw of 75 degrees. So let us first draw a ray. We have drawn this ray, name it as A, B. Now take your protractor and place it on the ray. Keep in mind we have to put the center point of the protractor on point A, and the 0 line of the protractor should coincide with the ray AB. So place your protractor on ray AB. Now we have to draw an angle of 75 degrees. So firstly find 70 in the given readings. So here you can see this is 70. After 70, 10 markings are given to us between 70 and 80. You can see this middle mark. This middle mark denotes 75. Okay, so put a point here on the middle mark of 70 and 80. Between 70 and 80 we have this middle point. So this middle point will be 75. Now join this point and point A. Name this point as C. So here we got angle BAC 75 degrees. This way we have constructed the angle of 75 degrees. Now let us consider another measure, that is 110 degrees. So we have to construct an angle of 110 degrees. Draw another ray. Now let us name this ray as PQ. Now place your protector on the ray PQ. So we will place this protector. Again, center point should coincide with point P, and the ray of the protector, the zero ray, should coincide with the PQ ray. Now find angle 110 degrees in your protector. So from these readings you can see after 105 the next line will be of 110 degrees. So here this will be 110, just below 70. So make a point here. Join this point and point P now. Name this point as R. So here angle QPR measures 110 degrees. So this is an angle of 110 degrees. Now we have to draw an angle of 80 degrees. So again draw a ray. Name this ray as X, Y. Take your protector, place it on this ray XY. Now find 80 degrees on your protector. So you will see that here you have 80 degrees. Make a point here. Join this point and point X. Name this point as Z. So this angle YXZ is of 80 degrees. Now next we have to draw an angle of 99 degrees. So again draw a ray. So here we have drawn this ray. Name it as AB. Now take your protector and place it on this ray AB. So this way we have placed the protector on ray AB. Now as you can see here we have 90 degrees. We have to draw an angle of 99 degrees. So this is 90 and this ray is for 100. You can see this one. This is for 100. Between 90 and 100 we will get 99. So there are 10 points, 10 small divisions given to us. Here this middle one denotes 95. After that we have 96, 97, 98 and this is 99. Just a ray, just this first marking before 100. This marking before 100 denotes 99. So we have to put a point here just before 100. Now join these two points. Name this point as C. So here BAC is 99 degrees. Next angle we have to draw is of 180 degree. So again draw a ray. PQ. Place your protector on ray PQ and find 150 degrees in your protector. So here you can see just below 30 we have 150. Make a point here. Mark this point and now join this point and P point. Name this point as R. So here we have angle QPR 150 degrees. In this way we draw angles of various measures.